Hello, I'm Professor Muth, and welcome to Microbiology 3003. I'm going to take just a couple minutes to introduce the course and what you can look forward to this semester. Micro 3003 is a general introduction to microbiology that covers the field very broadly and provides an excellent preparation for genetics, evolution, immunology, and other advanced level microbiology courses. You'll also find that microbiology is constantly coming up in the news in regards to health, food safety, and biotechnology. This course will help you better understand the important role that microorganisms play in society and hopefully help you to make informed decisions and evaluate the news critically and with appropriate skepticism. As you would expect, this course will focus on a number of important types of microorganisms, with most emphasis placed on bacteria and viruses. The course will also introduce fungi, protozoa, and the archaea, which include very interesting extremophiles. Microorganisms can be found in nearly every environment on Earth, and although they are usually too small to see, microorganisms are often the most diverse and abundant life forms in most terrestrial and marine environments. They are also key to the health and functioning of most ecosystems, and life as we know it is dependent on the critical roles microorganisms play, as well as on the symbioses that they form with plants, insects, and animals. You interact with microorganisms constantly, from the trillions of bacteria in the human microbiome to all the microorganisms you encounter through your daily activities. Microorganisms have been detected kilometers up in the atmosphere, as well as kilometers beneath the Earth's surface. There may even be microorganisms living beyond the confines of Earth, such as on Mars or elsewhere in the universe. If you are like most people, you are generally inclined to consider microorganisms in a negative light, the bacteria and viruses that make you sick or motivate you to wash your hands and cover your mouth when you're coughing or sneezing. However, only a very small fraction of microorganisms cause illness, and the vast majority have either a beneficial or neutral impact on your life. If you enjoyed bread, coffee, or yogurt, or chocolate today, you benefited from microorganisms. If you are getting ample nutrients from your diet and your immune system is functioning well, you have your microbiome to thank for that. So while we will spend time talking about horrific diseases caused by microorganisms, these are really exceptions. And most of the microorganisms you encounter, you should be quite thankful for. Just switch gears to take a minute to mention the course syllabus. You should have been able to access the syllabus from the Blackboard site for the course, or you may have received it as an email attachment. Please take the time to read the syllabus, as it will answer many of your questions. The syllabus includes important dates, how course grades are determined, and other class or college policies. In class, we will be using Nestor's Microbiology, the 8th edition. It is acceptable to use other editions or the International Edition. Just keep in mind that if you use something other than the 8th edition, not all material will be identical, although the 7th edition is pretty close. And it may be that the page numbers do not match exactly to the ones that I referred to in class from the 8th edition. Finally, as your first assignment, for which you can earn points towards the participation component of the course, please follow the link to this Google survey, which was also provided to you in an email, and follow the instructions. It should only take 1 to 2 minutes of your time, and there are no wrong answers on this survey. Remember to include your name if you want to receive credit for the assignment. Best wishes, and I look forward to seeing you in class.